Baby girl, man, sister. Right, I see you, baby girl, don't sister. Too bad, so you make man shiver.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take down my permed cornrow that I did myself. This is my satin bonnet and I've been trying to like retain the length, right? So I did this protective style, and the essence of having a protective style is to retain your length, your hair growth. So this is another way of retaining my hair growth. Combs I'll be using, and my moisturizer as well. If you want to try this, you should definitely go for a wide tooth comb, right? So let's get straight into the video. I've had this cornrow for 3 weeks and I have new growth, so I just wanted to take it down and repair my hair. So this is how it goes. Oh my god, you take a little of the moisturizer, rub it in your hand and in your palm, and you start taking down the cornrow roll by roll. The essence of the moisturizer is actually, literally to moisturize your hair, but also to make the new growth soft enough to comb through, so that you don't lose a lot of hair when taking down your protective style. That's one mistake I think we do. I personally do, is just take everything down together and then comb through, whether it's tangled or not. But when you put in the moisturizer, it detangles it makes it soft to detangle, right? So that's it. And we are going to do it, the plan was to do it one row at a time, and yeah. So can you see my new growth? Like, it's enough. So you put a little moisturizer and put it on your hair to detangle with your fingers before you go in with your tooth comb to comb through from tip to top. That was the only hair that came out. So, and taking down the cornrow, I just love the curls that I didn't want to like comb everything out. I just wanted to like see how the curls were going to like come out when I take down everything. So I stopped combing through, detangling, and this is what I got. But I went back to detangling row by row. You should not, it's not an option to detangle your hair all together like this. You lose a lot of hair. So I went back to detangling row by row. By the way, if you're still watching this video, then it means you are so much interested, so you should definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have any video suggestions or anything. I mean, talk to me. How are you doing? Okay, if you want me to check out your channel as well, so comment down below and I'll do exactly that. And if I'm interested, I'm going to subscribe to your channel. So there we have it. It's done. I've detangled every part of my hair. The back of my hair was a little, not detangled, so I put a little moisturizer there and detangled, and it was so easy. It just went through like that. I was loving my hair. It looked puffy, it looked healthy, it felt soft, it felt completely detangled, and the comb was just going through it with no stress. Do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more contents like these. Okay, like this. So after this, I did a little video and I was just filling my hair. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Babs_Hemming, and on Facebook I'm Baba Hemming. It's below, so you should definitely follow me on Instagram. And I did like a bonus of this video for you guys. So I do my hair treatment. I permed my hair, of course, and I retouched it, and then I did this egg protein treatment. It was egg and honey and essential oils, and I added tea tree oil. It helped with the smell of the egg. So that was it, and then I just applied it in my hair. And I would advise you get yourself an applicator, because I used my hand, dipped it inside and right into my hair, and it was really messy. So I would advise you get an applicator and make things really easy for you. After that, I wrapped my hair with a plastic bag for 3 to 4 hours. So I mean, depending on how long you can keep this on. So this is me after 4 hours going to take my shower, and I just took it off for you guys to see how it looked. It didn't smell, trust me, it didn't smell. Because I added tea tree oil, it didn't smell at all. It was not funky, apart from the fact that it was all over the place because I didn't use an applicator. And after this, you should definitely go in for a cold shower. Okay, don't go washing your hair with hot water, else you're going to cook some eggs in your hair. So opt for cold shower or a cold wash. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is the hairdo. This is the hairdo after everything. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye.